This is chapter 5, I think. You said anything, didn't ya? So what's next? We're still flying that plane. We gotta land. Good job. That looks about right. Yeah, good landing. That's it. That's it. Park up. Yeah, no problem. That guy just pulled out his own teeth. I don't want your teeth. That is disgusting. Get your wawa. I love that shot where she's like the scream. 3 more minutes.
But I'm close enough now. Thanks, sir.
That's it. Run. Something appears to be missing on Lammy's back. Lammy. Yeah. Think about it.
Guitar.
I've got no guitar. Did it blow up? Did it burn? Why you got dynamite in your pocket? Oh, it's flown off, even though everything's burning. Yeah, laters, bye.
Hey, there's one.
Yeah, guitar shop. Can I have a guitar, please?
Yeah, I'm looking for a guitar.
Yeah, gimme.
Well, a cool one with awesome sound and has.
There doesn't appear to be any guitars in this shop.
Oh, no. I'm sorry. I just want one that's cool and cheap, and of course, the sound quality's gotta be superior.
A greedy girl, ain't ya?
I just want a good guitar, please.
I'll do anything, please.
Don't say anything. No, not anything. Ah. Oh my god.
Go away.
He's got that chainsaw out.
You said anything, didn't ya?
Oh.
Come on, let's make a guitar.
Environmentalists, look away now. We're gonna take these chainsaws and we're gonna make one from scratch. Okay. Bite me. That's a cool slogan to have on a guitar. Okay. Yep, off in the forest. We got our chainsaw. We're going to cut some trees down and make ourselves a guitar. Is this the most difficult level in the game? Or is it the one after this? Neither are easy. Fingers crossed. Let's see how we can do. Turn your chainsaw on. See, bad already. Bad already. Oh, really bad. The tree's gone all over the place. Oh, really bad. That's it. I'm getting attacked by Bigfoot and everything. This guy's crazy as well. Oh, really bad. I'm gonna have to concentrate for a bit. Concentrate. Piss off, Bigfoot. Oh, awful. That tree. Look at the tree. That's it. Every single one down. Okay, back up to bad. Let's work on that good. Chopping trees down for fun. Not good. Oh no. We're down to awful again. Oh, one more and I fail instantly. Oh shit!
I didn't mean to be a joker. I just wanted to move on.
Wow. We just failed badly. We didn't even make it to the end of the level. Let's go again. Nothing else to be done. Yeah, back up to good. Why? No fooling around with deers. That's such a weird line. Let's get this up to good. We can do this. No. How's Lammy? Loud banging. Oh man, better. I got to the end of the level, but it wasn't good. I landed on bad. Oh, one more time. Hopefully I can get that. You need to end the level on good. Anything else that won't count. Obviously, cool does, but I'm not going to get that. Yeah, we've gone for cool. Here we go. Later. All I did was hammer the button. And you can kind of cheat your way through. It's kind of like more skill to do the level normally than it is to get a call. So yeah, I'm just going to hammer the buttons. And yeah. I'm keeping time with the music a little bit, so it shouldn't be too much of a problem. But this is quite early in the song. I'm going to be doing this for a while. Oh, there's the guitar. It's almost done. Guitar has been made. Got my guitar. That's it.
We created a pretty good guitar.
Yeah, we did.
Sure did. That was fun.
That's it. We've got to get a guitar. No problem. Even though I just hammered the buttons. I didn't do the level properly. I'm sorry about that.